I'm out here on Avenue U and West 4th, literally at the tip of Borough Park, between Borough Park and Flatbush, at Castell's with Rafal. Rafal, this is a brand new restaurant, and I heard it's something out of the world. Take me inside. You gotta show me this place.
Good to see you.
Good to see you. Let's go inside, Kevin. Let's go inside this place. Wow.
Welcome.
Oh my goodness. Wow. This place is gorgeous.
Thank you. So
the ambience.
I'll take you around so you can see a little bit about what we have here.
Wow, look at these couches over here. Look at these trees. This place is magnificent.
Every detail was paid attention to. Forks and knives, the plateware. We have Italian plateware, Italian silverware. Everything, even the glassware is Italian. Wow. We made a lot of effort into focusing on everything that we do to make sure that we are above and beyond what anything has been out there before.
Look at these wines over here.
Custom wine wall with Italian wines, all from Italy.
Wow, but look at this place. This place is huge.
We have some fresh made pizza here. We also make fresh mozzarella.
Really?
We make a lot of fresh cheeses in-house. Beautiful, beautiful pizza that you've never tasted before.
Look at this oven. Look at this oven. Wow, so you got a real oven that you make the fresh mozzarella in here?
Yep, everything here. We do a lot of fresh,
gorgeous.
A lot of fresh everything.
What is this?
This is a Parmesan Reggiano from Italy, the whole wheel. It's about 80 to 90 pounds every time we get it. And we make fresh pasta in the wheel. And you'll see a little bit of a show once we do it at the table.
Okay, you'll show me soon when we do this. I have a fresh pasta mozzarella. Look at the bar here.
We make beautiful cocktails also from scratch. We make our own juices, our own mixtures. It's incredible. Chaim, I have a little surprise for you.
What's going on today?
I think some of your friends are having a siyum.
What? No way! What are you guys doing here? Surely.
Didn't ask permission, I love.
How did this? Surely, basically, you guys are making you said a siyum?
Yeah, siyum.
Surely, I knew you're MDYer.
Yeah.
I see him today in Castell's. I didn't advertise this place yet. How did you know about it?
Listen, you have to follow me for more.
Wow, so you have a party room besides for this gorgeous.
We do Sheva Brachas in here. We've had engagement parties.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is crazy. How big is the restaurant? How many square feet?
So the dining area is about 3,200 square feet.
3,200 square feet. Look at this place. Guys, look at this place. It's huge. Massive. And besides that, you have this beautiful party room that you could make siyumim, MDY siyumim, or whatnot. All right, so can I join them for the...
Sure, why not?
Okay. You got a share for me? Guys, let's go for it.
Hi, we're ready to bring out some of the beautiful foods that we make. Everything from scratch, except for obviously the Parmesan that's coming from Italy.
Oh my goodness.
This is aged Parmesan, 38 months. These are hand-sliced potatoes that we curate overnight with some diced hot peppers. And these are Italian Casavacciano olives with a touch of orange zest.
Wow, so we're in Italy now.
You're in Italy.
We're in Italy, guys.
That walkway we went through.
Take a seat and let's go. Let's do this. Wow.
The walkway we went through was a portal to get you out of Brooklyn.
Guys, we're not in Brooklyn now. But I just have to comment again on this ambience. This is something you don't see anywhere. I've been in many restaurants. This is just like, you feel like you're in Little Italy.
That's the point.
The oven over there, let me zoom into that brick oven down there. Into that oven, look at that fire burning over there. The kitchen even looks like an Italian kitchen over there inside the kitchen. You have everybody working.
Now we're going to shut the lights and we're going to create the ambiance that you saw when you walked in. How beautiful, thank God, my place is. And hopefully everybody else gets to enjoy this beautiful ambiance that we have.
Amazing. Dim the lights. Let's go. Chavna? Ooh. Devos Pasha, a bisschen Kosher, huh? Very nice. Let's see the vibe when it's dark. Oh, it's a whole new vibe. This is like you're in Italy by night. You're in Italy by night, guys. Look at the vibe here. Wow, what a vibe. Not even a drinker, but over here we have to drink, because if they pour you wine here the Italian way, how do you balance that battle without falling out of your hand? You went to college for that?
It's a little practice, a little college.
And a little time, and a little falling.
Yeah, we'll learn from that.
How many times did you drop the bottle until you got it right?
Yeah, that is.
All right. Well, do me a favor, even though in Italy it's by night now, we'll take a little light over here, because it's kind of hard to eat really with the dark. Oh, that's a little better, all right. So let me hear, Rafal, what is the history behind this Italian restaurant?
So I personally graduate of ICE, which is a culinary school.
You said ICE?
Yeah.
We don't say that today. That's a bad word today. All right, I'll let you get away with that.
It's culinary school in Manhattan. and I'm also a sommelier. And I've been
you said you're Somalian as well?
sommelier. Which is
want me?
I wonder.
Wow.
It's not
You called me 2 in
It's
1.
not the lyric center over here.
You got scared. You started off with ice and you went to Somalia.
Yes.
So you're saying sommelier, okay.
Sommelier, a wine connoisseur. And I've been to a lot of restaurants. I've traveled the world, all different types of places. And I've seen that non-kosher restaurants have a totally different service to them. And the way things are plated and the detail involved in all the little nuances and details has never ever translated over to kosher. And so I said, why not? And so I decided to run with that idea of making something as good as it can be, no shortcuts, no settling on anything, and everything we do is not only Shem Shemayim, but everything we do is as much as I can make it the best possible.
You put your heart and soul into it.
Heart and soul, and every day we're trying to make it better and better and better.
Wow.
The same way you're supposed to.
Let me put the mic next to
There you go. Okay.
Let me hear.
Come on. You know what this is?
This is good.
You put this in shuman and each slice.
People listen to Shumat slice, never.
It's unbelievable.
Wow. So you're saying, and you went and you made this restaurant.
Correct.
Wow.
And I made everything from scratch.
Really? Like what?
The whole space was gutted, and I brand new flooring. All this woodwork is all done locally.
It's gorgeous woodwork. Stunning.
And the chairs are imported from Italy. We made them brand new chairs. Everything you see is new. The ceilings, the speakers,
This place is just brand new, fresh.
everything brand new.
Amazing. All right, now let's see that food is.
Let's see.
Let's go see.
So now you're going to have our tuna carpaccio.
Tuna carpaccio,
It's made fresh every day, just like everything else we do. But it's just so you know, our fish comes every day, and we make it, prep it every day. Is
Next level.
never a day late.
So really, I think this is video over here. Come to see him. The girl is hot. They can see him. What else we got here
This
today?
is house-made burrata. So it's a mozzarella with the soft cheese inside.
Wow.
We make in-house, and it's on a
Nice.
crostini.
All right, Pinchas. Yeah.
This is called caponata, which is an eggplant and tomato paste with ricotta cheese on the side. And you put the crostini and make a little dip.
So this is all about cheese, this place.
A lot of cheese, a lot
A
of
lot of cheese, a lot of wine. That's for you.
Look, I was telling David that I'm a milchig guy. I'm all about milchigs. And he tells me, milchigs? That's with fleischigs. I said, follow me. We got this. This guy is never starting with fleischigs again.
You're about to be surprised. Anyway, I feel a little weird. I came to do a video and I'm crashing at these guys' party over here.
Look, Chaim, you have my permission. I don't mind.
All right, let me. What are you actually doing here today?
So let me explain. Back, what was it? 119 days ago, I started Masechtas Vochim with a plan to be in Messiah with the MDY Chabira. And this guy, I got him hooked to the Daf Yomi. He doesn't join my shir, but he learns it on his own program. This is my partner, David Segedin, by the way. And basically he hosts his own CM and I host my CM.
Nice.
He comes to mine and I go to his.
Beautiful.
This is the way we're going.
All right, so you have to tell me where the next CM is.
Follow me for more. Hello.
Amazing.
So here we have one of our mocktails. I think we emphasize, we put our heart and soul in the mocktails because I think many of the restaurants, they don't offer an alternative, a non-alcoholic. And we don't do just juices like cranberry, pineapple. We do fresh juices like seasonal. So Persian cucumber with a lemon and cucumber muddled mint. And here we have with alcohol. This one is called the Hunter, che cacciatore in Italian. The base is made with some mezcal. Then we infuse some ginger and we smoke orange and we give that smokiness into this cocktail.
So now we're going to bring out the aged Parmesan that we shipped directly from Italy to here. It's aged for 38 months, and
Oh my
you
goodness.
can see it's massive.
Wow.
And you can see all the markings on it. And as amazing as it is, one of the most special cheeses made specially Chalav Yisrael. And we're going to do a pasta inside this beautiful Parmesan wheel. You can see that it's how old it is by the marking of the year. And Henry's gonna finish the pasta in it with some truffle.
So you come here, you get a live show. This is amazing. This is amazing. Wow.
So we have the Parmigiano Reggiano from Modena, has been aged 44 months. So there is a misunderstanding about Parmigiano Reggiano. So Parmigiano Reggiano has an appellation of domination, which is the number of the year that it was made and then aged, right? So what it makes it special is that, and difficult at the same time, is like you can get a Parmigiano Reggiano, but there's nothing like you just call Costco and make another. This one, it requires time. So it's a very allocated item, right? So the construction that we wanted to bring is very trattorian style, but we wanted to tweak the movements on the fabrication, right? So the pasta is a fresh fettuccine.
Yeah,
So-
fire when you warm up the plate.
And then we're gonna put just a drizzle of olive oil. Then we're gonna just stir it gently, and then the cheese is gonna create that paste and the viscosity to the pasta. Now, to really elevate the whole experience, we're gonna finish the pasta shaving some black truffles from Perlowitz, which is from in France, and that will be the best macaroni and cheese.
Get back, cake. This is insane. So basically, it's getting the flavor from the wheel, goes into the mac and cheese. This is the real deal. This is the real deal. This is Italian as Italian gets. What's in that box he's holding over there?
Oh, those are the black truffles.
Oh, those are the black truffles. Wow. Now these truffles is hard to get, right?
Yeah.
How does it work? A dog has to sniff them up from the ground, no?
So it's seasonal, right? These ones are the tuber magnatum. So the black truffles has a very specific aroma. That's the real flavor.
Ooh.
The oil that you find in the stores, that's the fake truffle. That's
Smell it.
interesting.
Let me smell that. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, so that's the real aroma. How do you find those truffles?
So we have a purveyor that.
How does one find truffle?
Oh, how you find truffle? So the black truffle, this particular, it has a time which is between the November and December.
But I thought there's like a whole process that dogs sniff it up.
Correct. So the dogs are the hunters,
The dogs are the hunters. They
and
hunt them.
those dogs can cost up to, my goodness, $50,000 a dog.
$50,000 a dog.
Because it needs to be trained completely.
So these
And
truffles aren't cheap.
truffles are not cheap.
What does it cost about a piece?
So here the value that we have is
Yeah.
around $2,000 in truffle. value.
$2,000 in truffles here.
Yeah.
What, this box right here?
Yeah.
Kevin, do you see this? This box right here is about $2,000. Surely, grab it. I'm just kidding.
All right.
Why did he point to me?
I don't know. For some reason, I pointed to you. Surely. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Wow. Now that's going to be a course of mac and cheese. The real way. The Italian way.
The best.
Thank you. The best way. This whole entire thing is marked. How does it work? How do you mark it with actual, with like...
No, the producers
They
mark it
mark it.
right at the beginning of making the
Okay.
cheeses, and so you'll see the month, which is Geo, is I
month.
believe
January.
is January of 2023, and we received this wheel about a month ago, so you can do the math and figure out how old the cheese is.
Wow.
And it's only one region in Italy, which is Modena.
How long do you have to pre-order something like this?
It takes about 3 months.
Wow.
So we order it, and then it comes. It takes about 3 months.
All right. So for your next round of cocktails and a mocktail, we're going to go with as a mocktail. We have this one. It's made with the fresh peaches that we have saved from the summer. We macerated, and now it's going to be cured with the ginger syrup. Now here, one of the oldest cocktails in the world. This one has a lot to do with the United States.
Wow.
Tell me, what's this?
No,
This looks to me like Florida. What is this?
So this one is just because in a winter time you want to have some kind of
Summery look.
summery look. So here is a fresh watermelon with demerara sugar.
Nice.
To the peach melba. I'm a peach guy. I love peach. One before celery.
We have the cicciole, everything made in house, except for obviously the pepper flakes that we buy.
You'd have to say that.
This is one of our signature dishes. It's a spicy vodka. It's incredible the amount of times this gets ordered. It's the most ordered pasta we have. It's delicious. Once you guys try it, you're gonna go crazy. Here we have oki, which is a ravioli style pasta, also made in house. The filling has spinach and ricotta cheese, and then it's topped in a bechamel and some breadcrumb flakes and a little bit of lemon zest. It's also a really special.
Oki?
Oki.
It's like half of Chobi.
Yeah.
Like a cousin. It's a cousin.
Okeechobee.
A cousin with Okeechobee. What looks to you, Naya? How's it going?
Previous dish was delicious. Oh my gosh.
Our next course we're gonna have the dober sole. The dober sole is gonna be fillet in a different way. Most of the restaurants they give you already done for you, but we like to put the show to the table. We're going again back to the origin of the French style of serving. Then it's when the Mediterranean part, right? The French Italian get together and try to do the proper filleting of the fish. So our dober sole, we get it from Brittany in France. It's presented in the most simple way. Just the cooking does the rest. At the table you have some roasted potatoes with some Berliner carrots, and the sauce will be the Meunier sauce. The Meunier is brown butter, lemon, capers, and parsley. Simple as that.
What makes Dover special?
The difference between the rest of the sole, like lemon sole, right? The texture of the fish is different, right? What the Dover sole has a different style. The waters are colder, so therefore the flesh is more thicker, and the flavor are completely different, more rich, creamy. That's why it's expensive also. It's imported. And here's the most delicious, simple sauce that you can try. Any type of fish, to be honest.
Wow, you're literally hypnotizing the crowd here. Everybody here is in the charade. No, it's really
Amazing.
Well, look at this table. It's just Italy, guys. We're in Italy. I think you should Rafal, put on the screen over there, maybe like a picture of Italy, and then we're really like an Italian vibe here. Well, you know what? Maybe put on the MDY. We just finished. No, it's really 100%. So since we're here because of Shruli's Siyam on Masechtas Zvuchim.
Look. No better way to be Messiah than by starting the next Masechta, right? Masechtas Menuchim has begun. Daf Bais. If you haven't signed up yet, now is the time.
It's really now the time. Wow.
It changed my life, and the amount of sign-ups I got just because it's such an easy sell. It's unbelievable. I have like almost 14 sign-ups already.
Wow.
MDY.
MDY celebrating the Siyam now of Eli Stefanski. Beautiful.
I just put on some Italian landscapes in the background so you can still be part of the vibe and the ambiance that belongs here.
Have a look at that. You can feel like you're in Italy over there. Look at those mountaintops, the Italian mountaintops, the wine caves, the wine cellars. Look at it. Wow. It actually is a gorgeous place, Italy. Shirley, what do you say to the vibe over here today?
I'm going for a visit, I think.
Should we guys go for a bit? Next Siyam.
Yeah.
Next Siyam in Italy.
Let's go.
Cool, wow. So you keep the lemon in a mesh? Is that what it is?
Yeah, you squeeze it so it doesn't get everywhere.
Squeeze some lemon, it's in a mesh. Let's go, guys. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Squish. Let's go.
Yeah, here we have a Branzino. There's a Mediterranean sea bass. This is from Italy, imported. Comes shipped overnight. We have with a side of green beans, a little bit of olive oil, some herbs, and some garlic.
Let me just ask you, the Branzini looks amazing. The green beans also do, but where do the green beans come into the picture always? Why is it always here on the side?
It's a good question. It's a healthy dish. So we're using healthy food next to healthy fish, some proteins and some greens, and it's just a good hearty meal for your protein at the end.
It also helps the food go down. Helps the food go down.
For sure.
Yeah.
All right. An non-alcoholic mocktail, and here you have a Swizzle. The Swizzle, one classic old cocktail. A Swizzle is a maceration of usually made with rum, but in this case we use a bourbon. It has Chartreuse that we try to do in the house in a sense. So it's botanicals, 6 botanicals on that.
Wow.
And here you have a flip. So a flip is a drink that usually has cream in it, but this one of course doesn't have alcohol. It's made with cardamom and a little bit of lemongrass.
Nice. Let me ask you, Rafal, you're here, the chef is here. What's the worst thing that could happen to somebody before walking into this restaurant?
Going to have a coca sandwich.
You got it. Somebody got it. The worst thing that could happen to a person is have a cold cut sandwich before walking into this place. Because that means you're going to have to sit here for 6 hours before you can bite into the food over here. What an ambience, what an amazing food. Wow.
I'm warning you if you drop off a Dubai turkey on the way in here, huh?
No Dubai turkey, no nothing. Strictly Castells. Delicious. Milchig. I never knew milchig could be so good. It's unreal. The way, we always know fleshig, the steaks, the fleshig.
Fish, believe it or not.
The Branzini fish.
My favorite CM so far.
And he's done a lot of. How many mistakes did you finish already, MDY?
Let me swallow.
I'm not going to cut that out, Sterling. We're leaving that in. All right, you swallowed?
Yeah, I swallowed. About the CM. I started off with an intention to press play and get to the end. I went in one ear, one out of the other ear, and I didn't retain much. Seriously. But they say that when toilet goes in, it becomes a filtration system.
Wow.
And it literally, I'm telling you, my life changed in many ways. I can't even go into the depth. The fact is, from Masechtas Bava Basra, which was one of the biggest Masechtas in Shas, I haven't missed a single daf.
Wow. Have a round of applause. Let's go. Put our hands together for Shirley. Very special.
That's it. So the power of Daf Yomi goes very, very far away.
For all you see him, Castell takes the cake. All right.
No question.
So that means the next time we're doing a scene is going to be here as well. All right. Let's do it. Wow. Amazing. You still didn't tell me what you have with my good friend, David. You became a good friend.
know the secret?
What's this? How do you guys get to know each other?
So I have a friend, his name is Hillel Halpert. Give him a big shout out over here. He unfortunately lost his brother-in-law, and I got to know him by the campaign over there. We made a conservatory again on a stam, right? So
Who's Nifta?
his brother-in-law, Yakovitsa Grosengil of Shulam,
Okay.
classmates, and we were
Shul's
devastated.
Aliyah.
We were devastated, and again, we did like every class would do. Got him a conservatory, and I got to know his brother-in-law really well over the whole conservatory. And a year later, he tells me I have to introduce you to someone. He puts me up with this fellow over here. Your side of the story?
Don't say the rest is history. It's so cliche and boring. But yes, we've been in business for about a year. We're doing marketing for some of the greatest organizations and businesses out there. And
What's the company name? I know. I just want the followers to know. What's the
Propaganda.
company? Propaganda.
And truly is head of propaganda, if you believe it or not.
So it's like this goes together with ice and Somalia. It just goes glove in hand. Propaganda. Oh wow! Look at that. They keep on bringing in the wine over there. Yeah, we're gonna come out here pretty stoned. Between the wine and the cocktails here, this is a scene to remember. It's really. You said it's a scene to remember. I don't know how much you're gonna remember of the scene soon.
Nah, as drunk as I got, I never forgot what happened.
Never forgot.
Nah, not me.
All right.
That's what you do.
Look at that. Look, like Ted King is walking out over here.
All right.
My goodness.
Say hello to my little friend.
This is your little friend.
To my little friends. All right. So for our next dessert, it's a dessert that originates in Monaco, Monte Carlo. It's called the Baba au Rhum.
The Baba
So
home.
the Baba will be coming shortly. The Baba will be presented with a selection of rums, right? Here's the question that you asked me: what makes things difficult when you have a kosher restaurant? So the kosher style of production of rum creates we cannot feel the rums that has been macerated in
Oh
barrel.
my goodness! Look, I'm gonna stop you. Look what's coming out here. You said that's your little friend, so this is your big friend here. That's oh my, sheesh.
All right, so this is the
insane.
Baba.
That's the Baba.
That's the Baba.
That's the Baba.
Called the web tower. So
Wow.
that's the brioche that has been soaked in apricot and deglazed with lavender. We're gonna put a little rum into you, Baba. The rum that we chose was Clement from Martinique. This one is the BSOP. So the brioche, we're gonna cut it in half. And then we're going to pour in the middle the rum. And we're gonna finish that preparation with the chantilly cream.
You know, I'm gonna tell you, Henry. You look like a surgeon. You have the surgeon's assistant, sir, giving him the utensils and the tools.
Technically, it's
It's ridiculous.
pencils.
You're just asking for another tool.
All right.
For the knife, for the surgeon knife. This guy's doing brain surgery here. Here's the brain.
Here's
This is out of the world.
here's the tower
That's the tower.
of
Are you gonna do
Tower of Pistachio.
the Tower Dubai?
Pistachio. No, that's
Dubai.
the pistachio. No, it's not Dubai.
okay.
No. Harry, that's Dubai.
Don't bring Dubai into Italy.
Which is Dubai?
The reason why I said the Tower of Pisa, the one who is.
Yeah.
So this one is the Pisa.
Oh, you actually the
Pistachio.
It's like in Rome, man.
It's like a Rome. It's like a.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, everything has a cheshbon.
No, I really thought I was like, okay, you want to straighten it out for the video?
Oh, you thought it's crooked? Yeah, everything over here has a. Oh my goodness.
So that's homemade pistachio
Homemade
gelato,
pistachio. This is.
baba rum, flourless chocolate cake.
Take a bite. Let's go.
Yeah,
Have
it's
that?
all fresh. It's all minute. We make it fresh at the moment that people order. Wow. So it takes like 10.
Gaan we get cake doen maken met de little pizzas over here. We got the pizza oven. This is great. This is great stuff here. Look, gaan we get my cake. Wow, this is the real deal. Throw it up for me. Throw it up for me. Let me see that. Throw it up. The real Italian way, guys. Very cool, guys. Very cool. Very cool vibe here. The vibe here is just amazing. Amazing vibe. Wow. We have the bar. Super cool. Here we have the band doing some jazz. Blowing some horns. Here we got the cello.
And our last cocktail of the evening is a jasmine sour.
nice.
The jasmine sour, you have an Italian gin, so the botanicals are a little bit of fenugreek, cardamom, and juniper berries. Then you have a little bit of cucumber fresh juice, and then is lemongrass again.
Amazing.
Yeah.
This place is, I guess, meant for private parties. What if somebody has a bigger party and he needs to take out the whole restaurant? You guys do that too?
Yeah, we do everything. We have engagement parties, bar mitzvahs, brisses, and you can call us at 718-908-0060.
Chévere, this place could be used as a private room over here for corporate events, all different type of events. But if somebody needs, I'm gonna open up this magic door here, Chévere. This whole entire place could be yours. So what is the address of the Castell's restaurant?
Castell's address is 222 Avenue U.
222 Avenue U, it rhymes actually, pretty cool. 222 Avenue U, come in here, mention Perlowitz for a free cocktail, Chévere. It's worth it, it's delicious. The other one we raved about it, we have over the general manager. Chévere, come here, say hello to him. Guys, great, amazing.
Perlowitz's name.
Chévere, come in here, mention Perlowitz, and you got a free cocktail on the house. You heard that?